Want a shower head that boosts pressure, filters water, and feels spa-like? Today we're reviewing the Clover and Cove shower head. But is it actually worth buying or just fancy advertising? Let's break it down. So the Clover and Cove shower head is marketed as a filtered shower head with multi-stage filtration that removes chlorine and impurities, improves water quality, and delivers strong water pressure with several spray modes, all designed to make showering feel cleaner and more relaxing. The brand even highlights a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. Here are the good things customers mention. Many buyers praise excellent customer service. Multiple people say the shower heads look stylish, installs easy, and works well in standard systems with decent water pressure. Some reviewers living in hard water areas notice reduced mineral buildup and gentler skin feel after filtering out chlorine and sediment. If your shower already has reasonable pressure and you want cleaner feeling water, some people find it satisfying. But there are downsides too. A number of users say the shower head didn't increase pressure noticeably and sometimes felt narrower or weaker than the original shower head. Several people report long shipping times and delivery from overseas, which can take much longer than advertised. A few reviewers call it cheap and overhyped, with the hose quality and spray modes being nothing special compared to basic shower heads, and some say it didn't fit their setup, especially electric or low pressure systems, so effectiveness varies by home. So is the Clover and Co shower head worth it? It depends. Many users praise the customer service and easy installation, and filtration may help in hard water areas, but if your priority is massive pressure increase or pro-grade performance, this may feel underwhelming compared to standard or premium shower heads. For many users, it's worth a try, especially with the money-back guarantee, but don't expect a miracle upgrade in every situation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.